A lot of you loved my last video on how to add caption to only part of your video. Well, CapCut's just made it even easier. You don't need to cut or drag anything anymore. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to get it done step by step. And without further ado, it's time to learn. So guys, when it comes to captioning or auto-captioning on CapCut's, the new way, we need two things. Yes, we need two things. As you can see right here, I have multiple videos on my timeline. They all have caption except this last one. And I'm going to use these two things to actually auto-caption only just this particular part of this video. But in fact, to even make it more interesting, as you can see, I've broken this video into bits. Rather than captioning the entire video I have here, I just caption some specific parts of it. So the two things we actually need is V. Yes, V. Just click on V on your keyboard. And the second thing is just caption right here. Click on generate. Those are the two things we need. Very simple. Now, let me show you how to do it. I'm just going to come here, zoom out a bit, and I'm going to click on open bracket to change my cursor. You can see open bracket, you can see the cursor has changed. Right now, I'm going to select everything to the left. Everything to the left has been selected. Now I'm going to click on A to change it back to my normal cursor. If you don't understand this, I made a video on CapCut tricks and hacks. This is just basically what it means here. A means select, B is split, open bracket, select left, and close bracket, select right. So let's just keep that for now. So now everything has been selected. I'll click on V. I'm going to click on V right now. So right now, I'll just click on V, and the entire clip has been deactivated. So right now, all I need to do is just come to CapCut and click on generate, and we'll have captions only for this alone. But remember what I said, I want to even make it more interesting for you. So right now, I'm going to do the same thing now. Rather than generating caption for the entire video, I will pick only specific parts in the same video. Select this, and let's say the last one. Then I will deactivate these parts. So now, the captions will only be available for these ones here that are activated. And very simple, I come to caption, and click on generate, it loads, and we have only our caption for this particular part alone, and that's how simple it is. Guys, can you see how amazing this is? We only have captions for the parts that are activated. You don't need to cut anything, you don't need to drag anything. It's as simple as that. And that's it, guys.